Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Marika. So for today's video, I am coming back with the Morphe times a Jaclyn Hill collaboration, the Vault palette. I told you guys in my last video that I will be doing a new video every weekend and posting it every weekend, and with the look from her Vault collection. So this is my second look from her palette. This look is from Armed and Gorgeous. So this is the look that I created. And what? Stop watching me. You're so creepy. So anyways, I was interrupted by my husband. He was like creeping up on me. Anyways, so this is the palette from Armed and Gorgeous. I really like this palette. I created this, never created this look before in my entire life, let me tell you. But I have been being so creative with the palettes. I tried to use almost all of them. I use VIP, Access, Girl Trip or Guilt Trip, Coin, Agent, Top Secret, and Secure today. So I pretty much used almost all of them but 3. I didn't use Smooth Criminal, Prowl, or Classify because those usually are the shades that I would go for. So I wanted to do something different for you guys, and I just pretty much did my eye look. I didn't show my whole face look because, like I said, my face makeup gets repetitive in my videos. So I just wanted to show you guys what I wanted to do. I wanted to talk about one thing. I got this eyelashes from BoxyCharm a couple of months ago. I don't remember which month, but this thing is, like, I really like how it's so wispy, but I don't like the band. It has like a really thick band, and I was gonna use it for this look. I tried applying it and I was just not happy with it. So yeah. Anyways, if you want to keep on watching and see how I created this eye makeup look, then just keep on watching. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey you guys, so first thing first, we have got to prime those oily eyelids. Always has to prime it. Never forget to prime the eyelid, especially if they're oily. So I'm using this palette from the Jaclyn Hill collaboration with Morphe, and it is the Armed and Gorgeous. I am using Access all over my crease, my crease, and let me tell you, this shade is so freaking pigmented. I cannot believe it. I really loved it. Then I put Secure to also blend in with the crease. And then you also have to blend, a lot of blending, because some of these eyeshadows are really hard to blend. But thank God, this palette, I did not have a hard time blending all of the eyeshadows as much as I did with the first look, or with the first palette that I did. So then we are going to take Corn, and this, or Corn, not Corn. I meant to say Coin, but when I was looking at the palette, I thought it was an R, but it's the shade named Coin, and this shade is so beautiful. It reminded me of like the sun or something, like really shiny, and it's so beautiful. I did not need to spray anything on my brush, and this shade is really pigmented, which I really love. So yeah. And of course, you are also going to blend so there are no harsh eyeshadows. So then I'm doing Top Secret as my outer corner shade, and I'm just creating like some type of smoky effect, kind of deepening up the look. I didn't want to use any of like those burgundy, like the Smooth Criminal or the Prowl shade. I wanted to do something different because normally I would go for those type of shades for my outer, but no, I wanted to do Top Secret. But it didn't really show up as much as I wanted to. Like, the payoff is not that great. But whatever, we're just experimenting with this look. So I tried it a couple more times, but then whenever I would blend, the color would just go away and I just got so frustrated. So then I put Agent on my lower lash line. Like I said, I pretty much use everything in this palette just because I wanted to see how all the colors would be. And then of course I use Top Secret again on my lower lash line just to deepen up the look and to blend it with Agent. And then I use VIP on my brow bone, and then I also used it in my inner tear duct. And that completes the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and comment down below if you really like this palette or not. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!